Hi everyone, I'm Pankaj Sharma and welcome back to Brainleague Learning. Today, we're going to explore one of the most powerful features in Python, functions. You'll see how they help us avoid repetition and make our programs smarter. Creating functions in Python makes code reuse simple. In this lesson, we will learn what a function is, how to define and call it, how parameters and arguments work, default values, keyword arguments, returning multiple values, and some best practices. Then finish with a useful example pipeline. First, what is a function? Think of it like a machine with a name. You give it an input, it performs a specific task, and returns an output. This lets you avoid repeating the same steps everywhere. To define a function in Python, use the keyword def. Give it a name, list parameters in parentheses, end with a colon, and indent the body. Here is a simple greeting function. To call a function, write its name and pass an argument. For example, call greet with the string Alice. The function returns a message, which we can print. Parameters are the variable names in the function definition. In greet, the parameter is name. Arguments are the actual values you pass when calling the function. In the call, the argument is the string Alice. Functions can have multiple parameters, and you can give defaults. Here, exponent defaults to 2. If you call power of 3, it uses the default and returns 9. If you call power of 2 and 5, it uses exponent 5 and returns 32. With keyword arguments, you explicitly name which parameter gets which value. This can improve clarity and allow you to pass them in any order. A function can return multiple values using a tuple. Here, divide with remainder returns a quotient and a remainder. We can assign both at once. Why write functions at all? Reusability, readability, maintainability, and testing. Write once and use anywhere. Break big tasks into named steps. Fix or enhance the function in just one place. And you can test each function independently. Best practices: give clear names, keep functions focused and short, document with a docstring, and consider type hints for clarity. Let us put it all together with a small pipeline. One function converts Fahrenheit to Celsius. Another converts Celsius to Kelvin. We can reuse both to go from Fahrenheit to Kelvin cleanly. And that is the power of functions in Python. Define once, document clearly, and reuse everywhere. You now know how to define, call, use default and keyword arguments, return multiple values, and compose functions into clean pipelines. Happy coding!